Dear students, in this video we shall read the first stanza and we shall explain it also. The first stanza of the poem An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum. This poem has been composed by Stephen Spender. Now let us read the poem. Far from gusty waves, these children's faces, like rootless weeds, the hair torn round their pallor, the tall girl with her weighed down head, the paper swimming boy with rat's eyes, the stunted, unlucky heir of twisted bones reciting of father's gnarled disease, his lesson from his desk at back of the dim class, one unnoted, sweet and young, his eyes live in a dream of squirrel's game in tea room other than this. Dear students, in this stanza, the poet describes that the children who study in an elementary school which is set up in a slum area, the poet says that the faces of the children are dull and without any energy. They are not full of energy like other kids of their age. These children are compared to unwanted weeds. Here, the poet wants to say that these children seem to be unwanted, like unwanted weeds which grow on their own in the fields. Their hair is not neatly done, it falls on their pale faces as if they have been torn apart. Their hair is unkempt, untidy. The children are untidy, they have not combed their hair. Then the poet describes a tall girl who seems to be burdened by poverty. Her head is bent, maybe because of tiredness or shame. There is another boy who is so weak and thin that he has been compared to a sheet of paper. The boy's eyes reflect greed and he wants to achieve everything. Then the poet describes another student who is physically disabled. The poet says that this boy is unlucky because he has inherited a disease from his father. He has received a disease in heritage. He has not received any facility, but instead of facility, he has received disease. This disabled boy is sitting on his bench and is reciting his lesson. At the back of the class, in a dim dark area, was a small boy who was not visible to the poet as he was sitting in darkness. The poet could see his eyes, which were bright and full of a dream. He was not paying attention to the class. It seemed as if he was rather interested in playing with squirrels in the tree room. Thank you, dear students. The second stanza we shall read in the next video.